Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever spent hours trying to create a video for your blog, social media, or business only to end up frustrated and exhausted? I've been there too, and that's why I'm super excited to share something that might just be a game changer for you. So I have a gold solution named Pictory AI. This tool makes creating high-quality videos as easy as pie, even if you've never edited a video before. In today's video, I'm going to show you what Pictory AI is, how to sign up, and how to use it step by step to turn your content into stunning videos effortlessly. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. Alright, so let me tell you a little story. Imagine you've written this amazing blog post or article that you're super proud of, but you're struggling to get more eyes on it. You've heard that videos get more engagement, but creating one seems like climbing Mount Everest, right? And that's where Pictory AI comes in for a role. Pictory AI is a tool that takes your written content, whether it's a blog post, script, or even just a list of key points, and magically transforms it into a fully edited, engaging video with images, clips, and even voiceovers. It's like having your own personal video editor who works in seconds. First things first, let's sign up. Head over to pictory.ai and you'll see a Start Free Trial button right on the homepage. Click on it and you'll be prompted to create an account. You can either sign up with your email or use Google to make it even faster. No need to worry about payment details. For now, Pictory AI offers a free trial so you can test the waters before diving in. Once you've signed up, you'll land on the Pictory AI dashboard. It's super clean and easy to navigate, which is great because we're all about simplicity here, right? So, as you can see here, currently, we have 4 options which are set up to generate the video which we want. The first one is script to video. The second one is blog to video. The third one is edit videos with AI. And the last one is visuals to video. Now comes the fun part. Let's say you have a blog post that's just waiting to be turned into a video masterpiece. I'm going to use an example blog post about tips for working from home. In the dashboard, click on Script to Video. Then copy and paste your blog content or upload a text file. You can also add a title for your video project. Once you hit Proceed, Pictory AI will automatically break down your content into scenes. This is where the magic happens. It pairs your text with relevant visuals and music. And if you're thinking, hey, I want to customize this a bit, don't worry. You can easily swap out images, add video clips, or even upload your own media to match your brand or story. This is where Pictory AI really stands out. You can choose from a ton of themes and templates to style your video. Let's go with a clean, modern look for our work from home video. You can also adjust the length of each scene, change the font, add some cool transitions, and even include a logo or watermark. This way, your video not only looks professional, but also stays true to your brand. And just like that, your video is starting to take shape. But there's something more. Now let's talk about adding that final touch, voiceovers and music. You can use Pictory's built-in AI voiceovers if you don't want to record your own. Just select from a list of AI voices, pick the one that suits your content best, and Pictory AI will narrate the text for you. Or, if you want a more personal touch, you can upload your own voiceover. Let's try adding a friendly, upbeat music track to our video. You can choose from Pictory's library of royalty-free music or upload your own. Make sure it complements the mood and tone of your content. Once everything's in place, you can preview your video to see how it all comes together. If you're happy with it, just click Generate Video, and Pictory will start processing. Now let's go to the next step. The second option says Blog to Video. That means that you put a simple link from any blog or even website, and Pictory AI will start creating a video which you want. So I'm going to use a website example which is based on work from home. So the result is here. The process of customizing subtitles and adding voiceover is complete. Once you're satisfied with the result, simply click on Download. Now wait until it processed. Alright, so let's head to the third option which says Edit Videos with AI. This option is simple. Editing your own video with AI tools, so let's see how it works. Here it says drop a file, so I'm going to use an example video of my previous projects. Now let's click Proceed. The uploading may take a little bit time, but be patient. Once it's uploaded, you will have exactly what you want. So right now, as you see, over here is a video and over here is a script from VoiceOver. Now, if we take a look a little bit closer, those one are filter words and those dots here means silence. To make a video more professional, click Remove Filter Words and also click on Remove Silences. And here below, you have an ability to customize subtitles by color, form, and quality. Now click on Customize Video, so you can edit more details. Okay, so here we have scripts, which are based for different, let's say, scenes. So, as you can see, you have an ability to change and set voiceover if you want, or simply keep the one if you have already in the video. Also, you can customize the subtitles in different styles, forms, and colors. So, after you're done with editing details, preview the video and download it. Okay, so we have the last step over here which says Visuals to Video. This option is well known and very simple. It's based on creating slideshow video with your images and video clips. So let's click on it and discover more. Now it says to import files. So I'm going to put an example, photos, which I have. So, right now, as you see, we have Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, and Scene 6. On the top of the project, you can see it says Landscape. So the first form is, as you can see, for YouTube videos or Vimeo. The second one is Portrait, which is based for TikTok and Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. And third one is Square, which is based for a simple Instagram or Facebook post. So I'm going to choose a landscape. Now let's put some text on the scenes and customize them. Now while you customizing, make sure the text matches with photos, so the scenes will be more engaging and interesting. As you can see, I choose photos which are presenting sports. The first scene shows basketball, so I'm going to try to find the perfect form and color for the first scene. This one doesn't really fit, so let's try another one. This one seems perfect, so I'm going to use this and the size, let's say 28. Let's put a bit down. I'm going to change the size, so let's say 30, because I think it fits perfect. Now let's choose and add some colors. Also, I want to say make sure that you match the colors based on form of text and also scenes. That's what completely makes sense. This one doesn't really match. Let's choose another one. What about this one? I think the green or yellow may fit perfect. So let's put light green color for the letters. And for background, maybe white or something else. Let's choose red and see how it comes out. Well, I could tell it's quite solid. Now let's edit the other ones. After you're done with editing, simply click on Download, and that's it. And that's it. You've just turned a simple blog post into an engaging video without breaking a sweat. How cool is that? Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit thumbs up, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more easy and fun tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you're planning to create with Pictory AI. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.